Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see about the long vowel sound. First we will see what is long vowel sound. A. Here the letter A will not take the sound of the vowel sound A. Instead they take the letter A sound itself. A. There are 7 ways of where we use the sound A. First we will see A. Acorn, apron, alien, table. See here all these words we are sounding as with the letter sound A. Acorn, on. This is a digraph on. Acorn, apron, alien, table. Next is a split digraph which makes a long vowel sound A. Here E is said to be silent. A. Split digraph A. B. Ache, bake. Here E is silent. Aim, name E is silent. Age, cage. Of course, here it is not G, it is J. Why? Because when E is followed, G is followed by E, it takes the sound as J. Cage. Already I have uploaded videos on soft G and hard G. If you like to watch, you can go through those videos. Cage, rack. So it's all said to be the split digraph which takes a long vowel A sound and E is said to be silent. So AE also makes the sound long vowel sound A. Next digraph AI makes a sound A. Aim, ain, brain, train. So all this digraph AI sound makes A sound. AI digraph makes a sound. Next AY makes a sound long vowel sound A. Bay, day, pray, stay. EY, EI, EA, here they makes a long vowel A sound, but in some cases they makes E sound also, but in this case they makes a long vowel A sound. EY, here these words they makes a sound. A, they, way, pray, gray. So here EY makes a long A sound. They, way, pray, gray. Next EI makes a long A sound in these words. Air, there. Vain, eight, way. So in this case EI makes a long vowel A sound. EA, yes, this EA has 3 sounds. Already I have uploaded videos based on this. In this words they makes a long vowel A sound. Steak means some meat. Steak, break, great. So EA has 3 sounds, but here in these words they makes a long vowel A sound. Steak, break, great. So long vowel A sound when and all is made is A, and the split digraph AE, AI, AY, EY, EI, EA, all this makes the long vowel A sound. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos, click onto the bell icon. Thanks for watching.